Welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna do a little bit of a week in the life of running a clothing brand. I have a lot of stuff going on this week, so I figured it'd be pretty interesting, and I figured I'd turn the camera on to show you guys what I do. Since I'm actually trying to make some decent quality content, this time I'm actually using my DSLR and not my iPhone, and I just picked this up at Best Buy today, so let's put it on. Okay, I think that's good. Perfect. Anyways, since we got so much positive feedback on all of our Reddit posts, and especially the last vlog, we had a bunch of comments and a bunch of likes, and that really warms my heart, and I really appreciate that. Anyways, so with that pickup, we also did a few more things today. I got some decorations for the office because I figured that I'm in here so much, it should look pretty and presentable instead of just being plain white walls, so we're gonna get to that later. And I also got these two little pieces, which were like 150 bucks. Were kind of expensive, but they're very worth it. So let me show you right now. The way where we take our product pictures is right over here. It's kind of hard to really see. I have these two rolls of paper. See that white and that black? That's photography paper. I put them right on top of here, and it comes all the way down. And then I would take the website product pictures from straight down, right? So basically the pictures you see on the website come from this exact place. But the lighting situation was not ideal. I was using these lights, a bunch of like normal LED fluorescent lights, and it was usable, but it wasn't good enough. So I have these amazing Bowens lights. They're like extremely good strobe photography lights, and now I'm very happy with it. So not only did I get these for the strobe lights, so my lighting's better, I'm also improving my photography set. I got a whole new backdrop setup. So finally, this ghetto fucking construction I made will be gone within a few days, which is very nice. But first I gotta get rid of some of the stuff here. This iMac is literally a 2011 iMac. It sucks, it's not good. So we are gonna remove this and take it to the boardwalk. Let's go do that.
You made me smile. You made me smile.
All right, that's perfect. So now I finally have room for all my stuff on this desk. I have my vinyl cutter, I have my computer that connects to the vinyl cutter, and then I have my printer, and then I also have my scale for all my packages and my items, and then I have just random rolls of vinyl right here.
Is it all about love? Is it all about drugs? Is it all about you? Is it all about we chill in the hotel all day. We sit, make love, do foreplay. Shit good when it's just us always. Our city been cold like 4 days. Feel good when the sun is up. She smile, I know where it's coming from. And I got that cup for the drink. Got that blunt for the fake. Pussy on wet like a lake. Hopping on a jet for the cake. Sad when the day come. Get that text on the wake up. Really, I just wanna be laid up with you, girl. Don't want no one if it ain't you. Ain't popping up.
All right, so I got the iMac set up. We're in the office. Oh, picking his nose. Peter is making his debut. Look at all the cameras, bro. It's cool in here. Endless amounts of cameras. Big brother in real life.
Don't be posting any of your shit, you dumbass.
What is that face, bro? Right. This is how he prepares for his prints. See all this effort just to get some good B-roll? Always repping Korea no matter where we are. Let's go, boys. What?
Where are you going? You know I'm a star, so you're gonna charge you for your film. Let's go over here.
There we go.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, Bob the Builder?
Bob the Builder.
Gerardo. Menudo. We're getting shirt with Menudo.
What does that mean?
It's a group.
Where are they from?
Mexico.
Puerto Rico?
Well, they became famous.
Boring. Do something like this and shelves on the bottom. What do you think? Over here.
Should go all the way down to the bottom.
Like 2-3 shelves.
I mean, if you don't put shelves, you have more walking space over here.
Well, better off when you just take a walk. You know?
It's bigger.
Okay. You know what? Work that.
All right, so I just got back from the boardwalk, and now I want to use these frames, and what I want to do with them is I want to put all the stickers we released. I want to put them inside the frames and hang them up on the wall for just some decoration for around the office, and I also got some other things, so let's get started.
World, they know it. They just waiting for me and you. And she, just like I, got her head in the clouds. Don't need to be lower before it's all over. I promise we'll figure it out. I ain't coming down.
Why would I need to? So much of this world is above us, baby. They might tell you that I went crazy. I'm just trying to reach you. I know we try.
I know you like those TikTok transitions though. I actually filmed a TikTok this week and that's what inspired me to do it this way. Roll the clip. Anyways, I'm actually really happy with how this came out. I thought of this idea literally yesterday and I just decided to do it this morning and I'm thrilled how it came out. But it did take me a good like 30 minutes to get it done because the stickers were kept falling. So then I decided to tape every individual sticker to this whiteboard. So after the 30 minutes of struggle, it went up, but I'm really happy with that. And I did also add these little guys. So I do keep like all of our little thank you notes. I have a Polaroid of me packing orders right over here. This was me packing orders from our summer supply drop. And then this is me sewing labels. And then I have our first ever thank you note from our first drop. And then I just got these little plastic holders. They're like $1.50 each or something like that. And this holds our thank you cards. This was for our Chroma collection. And then this was for our shoulder bag drop. And it adds a nice aesthetic to the office, which I appreciate. So, I mean, this couch is cool and all, but with this random ass white pillow, I think we can use some upgrades. So what I want to do is I want to combine this ransom tee and I also want to combine these two together. The box logo is going to be on one side of this pillow and then the ransom tee is going to be on this side of the pillow. And then we're going to have our own create pillow for the couch and I think that'll be pretty cool. Let's get started.
Bill collector knocking at the door. Baby mama yelling in my ear. Honestly, a lot is going on. Only thing is I don't really care. People wonder how I keep a smile. Tell them it's cause I don't give a fuck. I've been in my slippers for a while. Even though my haters show me love, yeah. I just wish them well though. Hope you getting money. Hope you doing well, bro. Heard your sister love me. I'm in Colorado. Do not fucking add me. I've been on vacation, cause I need it badly. Hotel California, my escape. Pulling up in Mexico with New York City plates. Ayy, neighbors want a photo when I visit where I stay. Ayy, if you talking drama, get the fuck up out my face. Ayy, dodging bad vibes like skirt. Drama on my line like skirt. Left it in the cash like skirt. Get into the bag like.
Alright, so that took a while, but I'm finally done. I honestly had no idea that I even knew how to even sew a pillow, but I did it, so I'm very impressed and very happy with myself. The worst part is the cleanup. I had no idea. I thought the pillowcase was filled with cotton, not feathers. There are literally feathers everywhere, but this is a problem for another day. It is currently 2:16 in the morning. I need to go to bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. I got a new package. It's from Supreme. Let's take a look at what's inside. Ooh, we also got an accessory. This is the poncho, actually. Let's try that on after. And I also got a deck. I'm not skating this. I just got this for collection purposes, I guess you could say, or art purposes, whatever you want to call it. I really like graphics with bright colors. Like, I'm a sucker for that shit. I have a bunch of paintings that are basically the same exact colorway as this. So I just thought it'd be nice to add it to the collection. I mean, come on though. Look how fresh that is. All right, let's try on this poncho. Are you kidding me? This is literally a garbage bag. I'm literally wearing a garbage bag now. Imagine pulling up to the club wearing this. Honestly, I think this is gonna be my next fit pick on Instagram. I think it looks pretty clean. So I'm not really sure when and where this board's gonna go up, but I'm definitely gonna put it up somewhere really, really cool. I have a bunch of boards in my room. Let me go show you guys.
Ultimately, I don't understand everything I try to do the best I can. I know you try to do the same. We're just so bound to make mistakes. You could call it a disposition. I apologize for all your tears. I wish I could be different, but I'm still growing up into the one you can call your love.
As you can see, all the art in my room has a lot of vibrant colors in it, and that's just my style of art and taste I like. I just have a bunch of random shit on the wall. I have this sick painting by Drigo. Check him out on Instagram. And then I do have my Palace deck up here, which I just really like the colors, and it matches perfectly with that painting with the blue background and the orange right there, and that's orange with blue, so it just looks really nice. I got a Blood and Semen deck, and then I got a Palace deck right there. I just think those go great together, and they're really, really clean. And then I got my Kanye New York Post and my Supreme New York Post. This is honestly my favorite thing in my room. It is a surfboard that we got at a garage sale like maybe 8 years ago, and it was sun-kissed, completely destroyed. It only cost like 15 bucks, I think. So what I did was I just cut a bunch of newspapers and literally glued it on, and I hope to make a little create artwork piece with that soon, maybe. Anyways, so I'm not really sure where the deck is gonna go. I'm thinking maybe right over here. You can't really see it, but right over here in between that. Anyways, back to the video. As you can see, there are no more feathers here anymore. I cleaned it all up this morning. And also, can we just take a moment to witness this fucking greatness, man? So obviously I've been adding a bunch of stuff to the office, like the stickers and the shoulder bag and also the pillow, but that is all because we're filming a documentary very, very shortly. We have a very big drop that we're working on, and we have such a good opportunity to tell an incredible story, so we're gonna try to capitalize on it and hopefully make a documentary. So it's gonna basically be a vlog like this. It will actually have character development in it and an actual storyline, so it's gonna be very entertaining. And if we pull off the idea that I have in my head, it's gonna be a great piece for the brand and to show everyone what we really are and what we're about. Peter, try the song.
What do you mean try the song?
Stand up and put it on, bro.
Bro, I do not take the place of Vadim or Josh. You understand? You cannot come here. What content?
I need content for the people. Harry Johnson, where are you?
What's up?
All right, try the song.
Why trash?
It's not trash.
Why am I trying this on?
It's a fucking poncho, bro.
Oh, okay.
You can protect yourself from the rain. It's literally raining right now.
Nice garbage bag.
You're wearing a Supreme garbage bag. We're back at the crate office. This is Julian, supposed to be helping me. And this is also Christian. Say what's up, Christian.
Yo, what's up?
We just got our boxes from B&H. And we just put in a new palette, and we're gonna try to make a new photo studio. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this should be the mount. And then we're gonna put it on the wall. Oh, this shit's heavy duty, bro.
Let me see.
It's solid. So these two are gonna go up here, like this. And then these two rolls of paper are gonna go across it, and the paper is gonna come all the way down. And then you can take photo shoot pictures and make it look clean and nice. A white backdrop and a yellow create yellow backdrop. Very important to say that. All right, so today is day 2 of setting up the studio backdrop, and I need to set up my Bowen strobe lights right now, which basically means the subject is nicely lit and also the background. Anyways, let's get into assembling it. Alright, so everything's set up right now. All the lights should be set up, ready to go. I got the transmitter on it, or the receiver, whatever the fuck it's called. And then this one's also set up. But now I gotta switch to the iPhone cam because use this camera to shoot with. Alright, so this is my first try. Everything should be set up, I think. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now only one of them is working right now. I did it! Let's go, boys. Alright, I fixed it. Ready? Watch. Take one picture. Look at how bright. You can't, that's literally, I took a picture of that, the cardboard right back there, and you can't even see it. That's how bright this shit is. Like, product pictures are gonna be so crisp. Now all I have to do is set up the backdrop and we are set. The studio is set. All right, so we're back at the boardwalk. I have to print all the giveaway shirts. So we're gonna do that now, but first I wanna ride my boosted board, so let's go. What's up, Peter? Good talk, good talk.
All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and chill with honeys. All I do is shine. Show the world, ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind.
Yeah, my name is Logic. If you don't know by now, I'm always on my grind. And at this moment in time, I'm on the road. When I write this rhyme, sitting behind Raheem Devine while he's passed out. About to hit the station for our gas is out. Look outside the window, I see shorties with their asses out. Oh my, good guys, you know we fly. They dreaming out the window, watch how buildings pass me by. See, I ain't signed, but at this point in time, I'm feeling like the 368 wonder of the world. Just my stereo girl, all I do is rhyme and get money. That's my repertoire. Holla at honeys, voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Baby, what's the deal? Have you ever heard of some shit so real? Cuddy, what up? It's going down, feeling like a millionaire, riding with the top down, while the rest of the world just stare.
All right, so now everything is set up, everything looks great. Now we officially have a studio in the office. Anyways, the video is getting a little long, so I think I'm gonna cut it out right here. If you guys sticked around this long, thank you. I would greatly appreciate it. It would mean the world for me if you guys can like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'd really, really appreciate it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.